Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of no sound in the phone or the interruption or disappearance of the sound in the phone. A simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, go to the sound and pride, then click on the Do Not Disturb mode. Do Not Disturb mode and make sure that this mode is closed. If your phone settings are not my phone settings, exit and then write in the settings search engine sounds and vibration. After that, it will appear to you and make sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is closed. After that, the next step, my friend, is to go to the settings, then go to the system and updates, then click on Reset, then click on Reset Settings to Default Settings. We will adjust the settings to the default settings, and nothing will be deleted. If your phone settings are not my phone settings, that's okay. I will go to the settings search engine and write in the settings search engine Reset Settings. After that you will see here Reset Settings. To default settings you reset them. The last step, my friend, is to go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Applications again, then click on the three small dots above here, then click on Reset here. The application preferences will be reset to default settings as well as data restrictions, and all disable applications, and everything will be reset without deleting anything, and thus the problem will be solved. After that, you restart your phone, and you will find that the problem has been solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked the video. For inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.